Look at this. It's nothing but cheese. Jesus Christ. Much better. This... Alright, so last time around I tried to get the 1 kilogram of cheese pizza from Domino's, right? And then I actually got as far as ordering it. I paid, I actually had my credit card. I sent out my credit card information. And then I got a phone call from Domino's saying it was sold out, which is crazy because it's 1 kilogram of cheese on pizza, which it's just pizza. It's just like bread and cheese, and they somehow sold out of that. I don't know how, but this time I put the phone call in. They said they had it. I ordered it from Domino's. According to this pizza thing, it's done baking now. It's gonna be out of the oven. They're probably gonna send it in on a freaking motorcycle guy. It's coming, I think. It's Japan, so I don't actually have to pay for the delivery. I don't have to tip my delivery driver. I am freaking pumped, man. 1 kilogram of cheese on pizza. I am not going to take a dump for another 4 months after this, but I am freaking pumped. It's time to just eat cheese. Ooh, yes, it's delivered. It says it's delivery right now. Okay, it's going to come. Awesome. I am so freaking excited, man. Wish me luck. It's here. It is here. It's here. It's here. Look at this. 1 kilo. Oh, that wasn't good. It slid down. 1 kilogram of cheese. Look at how huge this. This is huge. Oh my God! Look at this. This is a monstrosity. I got a bunch of other stuff too, but like honestly, like this is the main attraction, right? So let's get down to business. New Yorker cheese. 8 slices. 8 big cheesy slices you can fold. And here's the coupon. So they give you, so it's like a Ponzi scheme where like they keep you coming back for more by like giving you like random coupons to keep like giving you incentive to keep buying pizza, even though it's really, really expensive. But dude, look at this. This is huge. Look at it's like, man, look at it's massive. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Let's go down this one. Oh my God, look at this. So much cheese. There's so much cheese. That's my fault, probably. Look at that. It's so sad. I had an accident. Jesus, look at this cheese. Is it even sliced? I don't think it is. It's so much freaking cheese. Look at that. It's like melting off the side of my pizza. It's nothing but cheese. Like it literally. Is there even sauce on this thing? I don't think there's any sauce. I kind of want to lift it. Like I want to lift up like the cheese to find out. But like, it's hot. Cheesy. I don't think there's any sauce. I guess it might as well. Ooh. It's so freaking big and unwieldy that I can't, like, how do I manage to do anything with this? Here we go. Ooh. All right. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh yeah. Holy cheese. What? What is this? What is this monstrosity? Look, oh my Jesus Christ. It's so much cheese. It's, what? How do it's freaking burning hot because it's nothing but cheese. How do I even eat this? It's cheese. It's nothing but cheese. Literally, it's nothing but cheese. Look at this bad boy. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, here goes nothing. Jesus, look at how much. I'm trying to. Okay, I'm literally like holding this up like a foot off the freaking box. The pizza's still running. Oh my God, look at this. Oh. It's cheese. There's no sauce, is there? Okay. There's no sauce on this pizza. It's just cheese. It's a kilogram of cheese on pizza bread. Literally, just oh my. So if you like cheese, This is for you. What the hell? The cheese kind of coagulated. But look, underneath the cheese, it's just bread. There's no sauce. Ow, hot, Jesus Christ. It's literally nothing but cheese on bread. Which, if you love cheese, maybe it's a good thing. If you like pizza, maybe not. But look at, I already like scooped off a bunch of cheese. There's still more cheese left. It's crazy. Let's take some of that dripped off cheese there. Daddy's gonna be blocked up in the morning. All right, one slice down, 8 more to go. Man, this is insane. All right, so is this New Yorker cheese pizza any good? I mean, here's the thing. The first couple bites were just like pure cheesy bliss. And it's all melty and gooey and oozy and burning the top of your mouth because it's nothing but molten cheese. It's great. It's awesome. And then like halfway through like your first slice, you realize it's nothing but cheese and pizza bread. There's no sauce, there's no toppings, it's just cheese. Nothing but cheese and carbs, which is normal pizza, I guess. But there's really, if you're like me and you're a flavor fascist and you want to have some variation in your food, okay, I guess fascists don't really want that, do they? Okay, that was really a good one. But here's the thing. I feel like, as a concept, as an attention grabber, it's great. As a pizza, maybe a little lacking. I don't know. What do you guys think? Have any of you guys eaten the kilogram of cheese monstrosity that I just had, or have any of you guys had anything similar? What do you guys think? Would you enjoy this kilogram of cheese, or would you be like me and give up after like the second slice? Go ahead, comment on this video. You can send us a tweet, small_in_Japan. Or you can send us an email, smalljapanshow@gmail.com. Subscribe if you haven't already. Push that bell button thing, I guess. I don't know. I'm new to this thing. Anyways, until next time, I'm gonna go eat a salad or something. Because I don't know.